We're going to continue topic 3.2, implicit differentiation. We're going to look at example 6. So you'll notice that we have an inner function, meaning we're going to have to do a u substitution here. So I'm going to do my u off to the right here. So u equals x, y. And I'm going to have, it looks like I have a product rule there. So I've got x is the red and y is the green. So I'm going to go ahead and take that derivative. The derivative of x would be 1 dx dx. We leave the green alone. Then we're going to take the derivative of, or keep the red alone, and then take the derivative of the green, which would technically be 1 dy dx. I'm going to spend one line simplifying that, so I would have y plus x dy dx. Now, I'm going to go over to the original function, and I'm going to rewrite it. So cosine of u minus x squared equals negative 1. I'm going to go ahead and take that derivative. So the derivative of cosine of u is negative sine of u. And then I can't forget to multiply by the inner function, which would be y plus x dy dx. And then the derivative of the x squared would be negative 2x dx dx equals, and the derivative of 1 would be 0. I'm going to go ahead and clean that up a line, substitute things back in if I need to. So I've got y plus x dy dx times negative sine. Instead of writing u, we're going to write xy minus, and instead of writing dx, we're just going to assume that it's 1 and write negative 2x equals 0. And I'm going to box in purple anything that has a dy dx in it. I'm going to box in yellow anything that doesn't have a dy dx in it. So I need to move all the yellow to the right side of the equation, which is going to take me a couple of steps. So I'm going to keep the y plus x dy dx on the left for now. Both of these terms I can add, or I can divide to the other side. So actually I take that back. I'm not going to do that this time. Because of the nature of it, I'm going to distribute first. So I'm going to actually do my purple and my yellow at a different time here. So we're going to distribute this craziness in first. So we're going to distribute this in. So then I'm not dividing quite by so much. The negative y sine of xy minus x sine of xy dy dx, and then all of that is minus, actually I don't need the parentheses anymore, and then that's minus 2x equals 0. That looks much better to try to get to the other side. So again, we're going to, in purple, anything that is just dy dx, and in yellow, anything that is not dy dx. All right, then we've got to keep the purple on the left, so negative x sine xy dy dx equals 2x. I'm adding to the other side, and I'm going to add the y sine xy, and I could do that in any order. And then I'm going to take this and just divide it to the other side. So dy dx equals 2x plus y sine xy divided by negative x sine of xy. And that's it.